Today up on the bench is a 020 Volkswagen transmission, and we're going to tear it apart and see what's inside. First step is going to be getting these axle cups off. There's a plastic cover. There we go. So they're not rubber, they're actual steel seals. But right here is our snap ring for these axle cups. We'll take that off. This will just slide right off. Snap ring pliers. Off it comes. There we go. One axle cup off. Now we'll flip it around and do the same on the other side. Okay. There. Hey, we have both axle cups off. So next we'll get this pair of sensors off, and then we'll start working on our top half of the case there, our top little third. This top one here is a T45. Off comes this bracket. There we go. There's our speed sensor pickup. Because this is likely our reverse light switch. Sure enough. Let's get this stuff off. Look at that. That comes. Off our little boot comes. Now let's crack our top off. There we are. Here we have access to our overdrive. So this is our 5th gear setup. Now we got to remove all that before we can split the case apart. Pull this rod out from the shift.